Good afternoon to everyone. My name is R. Mandeep. I am studying in 6th class. My school name is MJP Boys, Singaravpet. Myself and my friends are going to participate club activity. Club activity name is Properties of Materials. My name is A. Hardeep. I am studying 6th class. Today we are participating in club activity. Club activity name is Properties of Materials. Good afternoon everyone. My name is G. Sai Shiva. I am studying 6th class. My school name is MJP Boys, Singaravpet. I am participating club activity. Topic name Properties of Materials. This material name is glass. Light passes through this material. That's why we can see through this material. So this material has transparent property. This material name is plastic cover. Light passes through this material. So we can see through this material. That's why this material has transparent property. Light passes through this material. This material name is glass. That's why this material has transparent property. This material name is steel plate. Light does not passing through this material. That's why we cannot see through this material. So this material has opaque property. This material name is wood writing pad. Light does not passing through this material. That's why we cannot see through this material. So this material has opaque property. The light does not passes through this material. The material name is wood. That's why we cannot see through this material. So this material has opaque property. This material name is sponge paper. Light passes through this material partially. We can see through this material, but the vision is not clear. That's why this material has translucent property. This material name is oil paper. Light passes through this material partially. We can see through this material, but the vision is not clear. That's why this material has translucent property. Light passes through this material partially. This material name is oil paper. This material we can see through this material, but the vision is not clear. That's why this material has translucent property.